DJI has finally revealed the Pocket 4, and it's already stirring up excitement and speculation. For a while, most of the chatter revolved around leaked images of the rear of the device, which showcased large vents, a thicker camera housing, and a design that looked more pro than previous models. Naturally, this led many to assume the Pocket 4 Pro would be bulkier overall, potentially moving away from the pocket-sized convenience the series is famous for. However, new front-facing images have dramatically altered that perception. From the front, the Pocket 4 looks far slimmer and more restrained than expected. The grip doesn't appear thick or heavy, and the device doesn't scream high-end professional gear, which aligns with early leaks suggesting a slim and approachable design. The contrast between front and rear perspectives has caused some confusion, particularly around the gimbal area. While the back view made the gimbal look chunky and dominant, the front view presents it as far more compact and controlled. This difference appears to be largely due to camera angles, lighting, and how DJI has distributed the added bulk. Extra size seems concentrated at the top around the gimbal and camera assembly, with vents taking up more room there. The Pocket 4 also seems to use a vertical camera stack, rather than side-by-side lenses, increasing depth and height without making the device wider. As a result, the Pocket 4 maintains a compact, approachable front appearance while accommodating more advanced hardware at the back. The new images give a better sense of DJI's design intent rather than revealing exact measurements, and no new performance specifications have been confirmed. Nevertheless, the design evolution is bold, showing that DJI is balancing enhanced functionality with user-friendly aesthetics. On the regulatory side, DJI successfully secured FCC certification for the Osmo Pocket 4 before a critical deadline, meaning the device meets US wireless standards. This approval is crucial because, under the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, Chinese-made devices with wireless communication features face potential restrictions over national security concerns. Many manufacturers, including DJI, were flagged due to fears that these devices could transmit user data abroad. While a federal security audit was required to clear products, it never happened before the cutoff, leading to DJI's automatic inclusion on the blacklist. However, because the Pocket 4 received FCC approval in November 2025, it is exempt from the ban and fully eligible for US sale, including Canadian markets. Early expectations suggested a late January launch, but with that window now passed, a February or mid-March announcement in 2026 seems more likely. Retail availability, including major outlets like Amazon, should follow soon after the official reveal. Despite ongoing uncertainties surrounding the DJI ban, the Osmo Pocket 4 appears poised for a smooth North American release, offering enthusiasts in the US plenty to look forward to in 2026. Meanwhile, DJI is also teasing something potentially groundbreaking with the DJI Avata 360. Leaked images and insider reports hint at a significant upgrade, combining FPV capabilities with full 360-degree cinematic capture. A recent leak shows the Avata 360 powered on and connected to a DJI RC controller, with a live video feed revealing how it operates in practice. The drone sports a gray Cinewhoop-style frame with fully enclosed spherical propeller guards, suggesting a focus on safe indoor flight and close-quarters filming. This protective design echoes previous AATA models but feels more refined. One of the most intriguing elements is the tiltable camera module, which allows one lens to face forward. This indicates that the Avata 360 isn't limited to 360-degree footage, but can also function as a traditional FPV drone. Essentially, DJI may be merging a cinematic 360 drone with a high-performance FPV platform in a single device, something not commonly seen before. Retail leaks also hint at what buyers might expect in the box, including the drone, multiple batteries, and a charging hub. In 360 mode, the lenses point up and down for complete environmental capture, producing an invisible drone effect. When switched to FPV mode, the gimbal rotates 90 degrees to allow forward-facing filming supporting fast, agile flying. Each lens is rumored to offer 180-degree coverage at 4K resolution, stitched together with AI to create 8K 360-degree video. FPV mode could deliver 5K footage at 60 frames per second with 30-megapixel photos, while panoramic shots in 360 mode may reach 120 megapixels. To manage this intensive data load, DJI is reportedly including 128 gigabytes of internal storage with microSD expansion. The drone will utilize the upgraded O4 Plus transmission system for up to 20 kilometers of range, with flight times around 25 minutes. Early leaks of the Avata 360 showed a thinner, longer body with the top section almost level with the rotors, likely to prevent the drone from appearing in 360-degree footage. Compared to earlier models like the Avata 2, this design feels more like a larger Neo 2, with a longer rear to balance the new shape. A subsequent leak revealed a small bump on top, which many suspect houses the hidden 360-degree lens. This came shortly after a competitor announced a true 360-degree drone, sparking speculation about how DJI would respond. Pricing details suggest China will see aggressive pricing, with the drone alone around $426 and the Fly More combo reaching $811. In the US, estimates range from $489 for the drone, only to $999 for the bundle. DJI Care is expected to cost about $57, and FCC pre-approval supports US availability despite broader regulatory challenges. If current leaks hold, the DJI Avata 360 could launch in Q1 2026 and quickly become one of DJI's most versatile and talked about drones in years. Between the Pocket 4's refined design and the Avata 360's ambitious hybrid capabilities, DJI fans have a lot to anticipate in the coming months, with innovation clearly at the forefront of the company's roadmap. The combination of compact design, advanced camera technology, and careful regulatory compliance shows DJI is thinking strategically. The Pocket 4 delivers evolution in a familiar, approachable package, while the Avata 360 pushes the boundaries of what drones can do, blending immersive 360-degree cinematics with agile FPV performance. Both devices highlight DJI's commitment to creativity, usability, and staying ahead in a competitive market. Enthusiasts should keep a close eye on these releases, as they may set new benchmarks for portable cameras and next-level drone technology in 2026. The upcoming launches signal not just incremental upgrades, but a shift toward more versatile, user-friendly devices capable of professional-quality output. The Pocket 4 keeps the series' signature portability while accommodating more advanced hardware, and the Avata 360 combines cinematic power with agility, opening new possibilities for creators across genres. These developments suggest